Let's explore nested routes in React Router. This involves creating routes within routes for complex layouts. We'll focus on building scalable navigation structures with hierarchical routing. Nested routes are routes that exist inside other routes. They create a hierarchical structure for complex user interface layouts and navigation patterns. Consider the example on screen. The route/dashboard is the parent route. Inside it, you have routes like /profile, /settings, and /analytics. Under /analytics, you might have further nested routes like /reports and /charts, forming a tree-like structure. Let's set up some basic nested routes. First, in app.js, import routes and route from React Router DOM. Then within the app component's return statement, set up a routes component. Inside routes, define a route with the path /dashboard/* and set its element to the dashboard component. The asterisk after dashboard is very important. It signifies that any routes that come after the dashboard will be handled by the dashboard component. Now in dashboard.js, import routes, route, and outlet from React Router DOM. Inside the dashboard component, return a div containing a routes component. Within this routes component, define routes for profile and settings, mapping them to their respective components. Profile component will render when the path is /dashboard/profile. Similarly, settings component will render when the path is /dashboard/settings. The outlet component is used to render the match child route component at the specified location in the parent component. In this example, within the dashboard component, you have a heading and navigation section, and then the outlet component. The child routes, such as profile or settings, will be rendered where the outlet component is placed. It is important to understand that outlet acts as a placeholder for child routes. To navigate between nested routes, you can use the link component. Import link and outlet from React Router DOM. In the dashboard component, within the navigation section, create link components for profile and settings. The toprop specifies the path for each link. Alternatively, you can use programmatic navigation with the useNavigate hook. Import useNavigate from React Router DOM. Inside the dashboard component, get the navigate function from useNavigate. Create a function such as goToProfile that calls navigate with the desired path, like profile. Then, attach this function to a button's onClick event to trigger the navigation. Index routes render when the parent route matches exactly, providing default content for nested route layouts. In this example, within the routes, you have a route for dashboard that renders the dashboard component. Inside this route, an index route is defined with the element set to dashboard home. This dashboard home component will render when you only visit /dashboard, providing default content for the dashboard layout. Additionally, you can define routes for profile and settings as before. Index property tells the router to render this route when the parent route matches exactly. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.